Want to connect your new HP DeskJet 2755e printer to Wi-Fi? Great! Because in this video, I'll walk you through the complete wireless setup process step by step. First, make sure your printer, smartphone and Wi-Fi router are placed near each other so the connection process works smoothly without interruptions. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Turn on the printer and keep it ready. Then press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button together for around 3 seconds. After a few moments, you'll notice the power light blinking, and shortly after that, the wireless light will turn on as well. This indicates that your HP printer has entered Wi-Fi setup mode and is ready to connect to your network. Now take your smartphone and install the HP Smart app if it's not already installed on your device. Once the app is installed, sign in using your existing HP account or create a brand new account to continue. After logging into HP Smart, open the app and tap on the Add Printer option from the home screen. When the setup screen appears, choose the option for setting up a new printer. Look for the HP DeskJet 2700 series printer in the list and tap on it to begin the setup process. Give the app a few seconds to search for nearby Wi-Fi networks automatically. Once your wireless network name appears, enter the correct Wi-Fi password and tap on Continue. The app may now ask you to press the blinking information button, usually identified with a small I or I-shaped icon on the printer panel. After the printer successfully joins your Wi-Fi network, return to the HP Smart app and press Continue. The app will now display some optional printing and smart service features. Read through the information and tap on Accept All to proceed with the setup. If prompted, install the printer cartridges and load paper into the tray, then tap on Done. Within a few moments, your HP DeskJet 2755e printer will appear at the top of the HP Smart app's home screen. That confirms your printer is fully connected to Wi-Fi and ready for wireless printing from your phone or computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more printer tutorials. You can also contact us using the support numbers shown on your screen.